Before the video starts, I just want to say a couple of things. Number one, I haven't got my tripod and I've got to hold the camera like this, which is not very fun. And also, this is like the third time recording this because I've actually spilled tea on my legs. Can you remember the blue 150 we had in? It's had tons of work done to it. Loads of welding, loads of mechanicals that had new wheels. Well, anyway, that van's actually been picked up by its owner, David. And I just want to say, from all of us at the doghouse, thank you so much for our gifts. Him and his family actually sent us down a few boxes of cakes, and they were absolutely stunning. Really, genuinely proper nice. But when he came down to collect the van, like I said, I wasn't actually there for it. He actually come down with a few personalised gifts for us. Look at that. Like, I'm genuinely using mine now. So if you keep seeing me look down, it's because I've already spilled tea on my legs once. But Di got a blue one. You can probably see them on the screen. That's to match his VR6 TDI. John got the green one to match the Hydro van. And I got the white one. Thank you very much. Really appreciate these. In fact, just used these when we came back from Camper Jam. Which leads me on to the next thing. Sorry there hasn't been any videos for the last couple of weeks. Couple of weeks ago to now, I think it was like 2 weekends ago, we went to Camper Jam. Genuinely one of the best shows I've ever been to. Like, phenomenal. Definitely doing that one again. And to everybody that we actually met there and took pictures with, thank you very much. That was awesome. But yeah, went to Camper Jam. Barely had any signal, so I couldn't post anything. And then when we came back, for some reason, some of the footage was corrupt and I couldn't like get it edited properly. So yeah, that went well. But as you can see, it's working again now. So I'm going to try and pump a few videos out this week and get back up to date again. So look forward to that. Anyway, back to the footage. Good morning. Should really pick a camera up and kind of show what's going on before we get too far into things. As you remember in the last video, I was on that, which I still am.
On what?
Mr. Dynamo.
Oh, hello, Carl.
Hello,
YouTube.
How are we now that you're known by everybody?
Yes. Yeah, save another beauty.
I think last time we seen this, I think John was cutting it.
I can't remember.
I can't remember.
I see some footage from that side.
Yeah, this is the one that Di's done the whole of that side. We can see where it's black there. He's done all of that side, and he's now
But on that side.
doing t'other side. As you can see, well, John cut all this lot out when you were doing the timing belt on the Calypso.
Calypso, yeah, that's it.
So this is,
Swap.
yeah. And now Di's back in the hot seat again.
Yeah.
Is this having a full step?
The bottom.
Just the bottom.
Well, the bottom bit.
That's not too bad. And then just everything else.
Couple bits.
Not bad.
Put that. So I cut that. This is it's gone. And just work the way back.
What else does it need after this?
Guy wants some windows cut. All seals gotta be replaced. And just we need as you in the arch, inner sill, arch sill, step, tab, porta. And yeah, it's all in the corner by there. In the see that? Oh yeah, right behind the horn. And
Rigger.
yeah, that's gonna be done. Obviously, it's well done wing. And the wind's gonna come out. It's gonna be clean all around.
I'll keep Mr. Namo out of trouble. Just what he needs.
Yeah.
Help. There we go. Mr. Namo on the welding. And also, we have California, Westphalia. This thing is an absolute beast. Also left-hand drive, which is confusing.
Morning, people.
Hello, Mr. John. How are you today, sir?
Yeah. How's the head?
We'll see the left-hand drive. Obviously, that's supposed to be over there. That's supposed to be over here. Yeah. Just looks a bit strange. But a very, very nice van. Well, John is currently doing some ball joints. Done the one side. He's now on t'other side.
Ordered, your mum's service. Some of his back wheel, MOT. Maybe come out. Maybe I'll come out.
And all of it is on the floor.
Yeah.
Because John can't get that on the ramp. As you can see, she's a big old girl. And she isn't going to go very high over there. So, Mr. John is on the floor. And as you've seen in the last video, I am on this. Now, last time you've seen, put the head on. Head's all been torqued down. And it's now just rebuild everything back up again. So I am currently, as we speak, putting the water pump in. Just literally get that bolted in, start putting all the covers back on. There's the other one over there, and start getting this thing all built back up again. And then cam belt can go on, wiring loom can go on, fuel lines, water pipes, all the fun stuff. And then we need a 3-inch downpipe and the 3-inch exhaust that goes all the way through, which is actually in that box, which is on his roof rack. So there we go, that is what we're all up to. I'm gonna just have a little play putting all this lot back together again. I thought I should really just have a little watchy-see of what's happening before too much happens. So, oh, I haven't shown that. Well remembered, Mr. John. So, probably remember in the last one we showed that the motorhome became a lorry. A few more things have happened since then. Like, the rest of it all got welded. It's all been red oxide. And a full exhaust has been fitted. Oh, you ain't gonna be able to see down there anyway. But, full twin exit has been fitted. Only thing is, we're gonna have to get some extensions because that is where the long wheelbase ends, and obviously missing just over a meter there, so we're gonna have to figure that problem out. Yeah, and some stuff got done in the back of the VR6 TDI, which I will try and show a little bit later on. But done a little, well, Guy done a bit of woodworking in the back of there and started making his enclosures for his boom boom boom. I'll put this down, start putting the water pump and whatnot on, and when I find something worthy of picking camera up for, I should do that. So see you when that happens. And welcome to the voiceover. Been a while since I've done this, so wish me luck. I'm just putting the water pump on and the covers and whatnot, and then as you can see here, I am getting the grease, making sure they're all greased, but I'm putting the glow plugs in, and then after this the injectors will all be going in and going tight. So yeah, quite good fun to actually get editing again. Has been a bit of a shame I haven't been able to put as many videos out, and there has been probably a week or so where I didn't even pick a camera up. We were just sort of getting loads of bits and bobs done and completely forgot to pick the camera up. But there is a couple of videos on backlog that will be coming out this week, so enjoy. And welcome to the next day. Didn't actually pick a camera up because I forgot. The van that John was doing yesterday, that Westphalia thing, that has gone, which is California if I want to be right. There you go. That's been done, dusted and gone. In fact, that's literally leaving in a minute. That's just turned up. That needs a quick check over because he's going to France. This that you see me doing, it's been built up a lot more. Vacuum pump, obviously water hoses, wiring harnesses everywhere. Just needs to be put in through there and connected into the fuse box. Timing belts are the next things that need to be done. And it's not too far away from potentially hearing this thing. Oh, obviously fuel lines. This thing isn't a million miles away now. Starting to look good all put back together again, which is good. But the reason I've actually picked this up is I've got to go pick up some stuff that we dropped off at the powder coater. And one of those things is Johnny's wheels.
Pick up hand.
Ah, and drop off. Some nice bore bits.
Dum, dum, dum.
For Mr. John's other van. That's another conversation for another day. But Mr. John's hydro wheels. Interesting to see them because they're going to look a little bit more differenter. And I know somebody doesn't like a change. So that'll be interesting to see. And Mr. Namo, while I'm already doing things, he's been smashing this yesterday. Didn't really pick a camera up on the film out yesterday, but I thought I should really do it now because we're about to see some cool wheels in it. Yeah. See, there we go. Right, I'm gonna stop babbling away. Right, see when I get the wheels. Well, there is that collected. So John hasn't seen these wheels yet. I am the only person to have seen these wheels, and I'm hopeful that he's gonna like these. He should do. They do look quite cool. But I'm gonna get myself back to the garage. We have also got, there's a front panel just there. That is an early front panel, and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see them back there. I don't know how well you're going to see them back there, but there is a set of black Audi wheels, and very nice. I like them. But I'm going to carry on trucking, get myself back to the garage, and hopefully make John's day. Fingers crossed. There we go. So I managed to drive all the way back, and also pop to the parts place on the way back as well. And I am literally, as we're speaking, driving up the hill to the workshop now. And I thought it might be quite interesting to get John's reaction. So let's see how much he likes these. Guys, want to come and look at the wheels?
Go on, look at it. I wouldn't have a coffee, so spit it over. But it is on green, huh?
Huh?
You paint on green.
Oh! Bit bold, isn't it? Oh! Shut quick.
Da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. What's wrong with that? Thanks, I'm just fucking. Yeah? That's perfect. Yeah. That's actually perfect.
Right, we're going to empty this lot out. See you in a bit. Well, with the excitement of getting back and seeing those wheels, we kind of forgot to pick the camera back up again. Those wheels absolutely set that van off. I mean, it has been a few weeks now since obviously getting those wheels, so we have actually seen the van and driven the van around with those wheels on, which you will probably see in the next video actually. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Very good choice. But as you can see, we're all just in the engine bay of this. We're just setting TDC and getting the timing belts put back on. It's just having a little bit of help getting it set perfectly to TDC. And then, yeah, get the belt back on. This van has been an absolute pleasure to work on. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Well, I don't quite know how much you've seen, because I did have you on record over there, and then the battery died. But things have escalated, as you can see. So, headlights are obviously in, all the looms are ran. Yeah, lots and lots and lots has happened. This thing is coming together quite nicely. Good fun. Have enjoyed doing this. Mr. John is currently on the inside. He's running all the loom and doing the wire inside of it, because I have absolutely no idea how to do that. So we've nominated John. But other than the wiring, I think this thing isn't massively far away from starting. We have got just over there the downpipe. That can go on. Then the exhaust. But for that to happen, it needs to come off of this ramp. But the other reason I got this camera out is because Dynamo. Oh, that's top secret. Dynamo has got the VR6 TDI, and he's doing some bits to it, let's say. So I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek. Yeah. Also, probably just about make it out on the camera. That's all glistening and lovely. And 2 more sheets of ply, along with that piece of ply, and all of that. Yeah. So you might be able to see where this thing's going. Yeah. Probably get the rough idea of what's happening there. I thought I'd give a little bit of a sneak peek of things to come. Should be loud. Again, sorry for the delay in footage, but I will try and keep the videos coming. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting out a rad on us, and as always, take it easy.